In today's video, I'm going to teach you overview of the top AI tools in 2020. So if you've been wondering which AI to use for writing, coding, research, or keeping up with what's happening right now, this overview will help you match the right tool to your needs without wasting time. The big players shaping 2026 are ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, and Grok. Each brings a distinct strength to the table. Think of ChatGPT as your go-to for creativity, structured content, and everyday productivity. DeepSeek shines when problems are highly technical and require rigorous reasoning or precise code. Gemini is built around tight integration with Google's services and search capabilities, which makes it convenient for document-centric work and research. Grok, on the other hand, leans into real-time information and a social, conversational style that's great for fast-moving topics. Let's compare them in pairs, starting with ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. ChatGPT excels at content creation and polished conversational responses. It's reliable for drafting articles, marketing copy, emails, and summaries, and its overall experience feels smooth and approachable. The ecosystem around it is broad, which means you can plug it into a variety of workflows. DeepSeek, by contrast, is favored by developers and STEM-focused users. It performs well in technical reasoning and coding tasks, handling intricate logic, code generation, and debugging with strong step-by-step clarity. If your day involves repositories, algorithms, or detailed problem-solving, DeepSeek often feels tailor-made. Now, Gemini versus Grok. Gemini integrates closely with Google services and search tools, making it a natural fit if your workflow lives inside that ecosystem. It's helpful for productivity, documents, and research, where you want strong search grounding and seamless movement between tasks. Grok focuses on real-time information with a social media-style interaction. If you want to track trending topics quickly and converse about what's happening right now, Grok's speed and style are compelling. So, which AI is best for different tasks? For writing, business, marketing, and general productivity, ChatGPT is a versatile choice. For coding, technical analysis, and logical reasoning, DeepSeek often leads. For Google ecosystem integration and research-heavy work, Gemini is especially convenient. For trending topics and real-time conversations, Grok stands out. The final verdict in 2000 CIA comes down to fit. ChatGPT remains one of the most versatile tools overall. DeepSeek is a top pick for technical users and developers. Gemini is ideal for those invested in Google products, and Grok is excellent for live information and social-style interaction. Whichever you choose, remember the landscape is evolving quickly, so keep an eye on updates and match the tool to the task.